Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
I'm nobody, I agree. This Diri they are talking now, Governor Diri. You know, that's why you know when you put people in power. Go and ask the Minister of Petroleum. He brought Governor Diri to me in Wisconsin, where I was staying. This governor you are talking now, that's why when I look at people, I say character is something you cannot buy.
Former FCT Minister Nasir El-Rufai said it yesterday
Hold on.
APC, like the president was kind of destabilizing other political parties.
Hold on. I don't want to go into that. That's El-Rufai's view. I don't. Are you an agent? Is entitled. Do I look like someone who will be an agent? Is there anything I do I don't do publicly? Is there anything? Now, sort of, don't cut me what I said because I know where you're heading. Hanakin Lebobri, the Minister of Petroleum, brought him with David Lyon. This governor, he was kneeling down. I said, no, don't do that. You're a governor, don't do that. Today, you go and call a meeting, South Zone, in your house. Minister of Health will not be there. Zonal Committee will not be there. Senators will not be there. National Assembly will not be there. Is there politics is played? Something you can still achieve if you have the tax. Something you can achieve. Now you go and cause problem. Now, look at how they are.